Hi, my name is Charles Gregory, and today I'm going to share with you a new software that I found that will optimize your LinkedIn profile to the next level. This is, as you can see, my profile here on my screen, and I believe I've optimized my profile in January 2024, and I use GPT to do this. However, today I'm going to share with you a new software which is called SmartLink, and you can just go to Google, type in SmartLink, and as you can click here, it's smartlink.app smartlink.app. As you can click here, I've already logged in, so you just need to register a free account. So as you can see here, the pricing will be, if you click on it, will be 3 tries a day. And you can optimize basically for 3 times a day, which I think is more than enough, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the dashboard. Once you registered, you log in, and you will come here. Okay, so it says here, time to enhance your LinkedIn profile. Simply enter the username or URL to your account below. So what you're going to do is go back to your LinkedIn, and I want you to type this in, the, what do you call that? Your URL of your LinkedIn, copy it, come back here, and just paste here, and you're able to submit and continue, or just click enter. All right, so the magic will happen in front of your eyes, right? So you can see it out here. uh, if I click, yeah, let me just click submit, continue. So searching my current profile, it says here this should take a second, and as you can see, this is my existing profile, as you can see here, which I wrote earlier, and now it's actually updating it real time. And I just want you to compare side by side, and look here. Greeting readers, I'm thrilled to share a glimpse into my journey. Picture this, what sets me apart, and I like the way it portrays, because it's like a storytelling, introducing very different from the corporate style of the traditional LinkedIn profile that you can see. So when people read this, I mean, when I read this, it seems like, wow, it's so unique, it's so amazing, right? And it actually takes whatever that it's here, the original content, and put it here. All right. So as a CEO and keynote speaker, I strive to lead by example, innovating, educating, always learning. My current endeavor, doctorate in business administration, my DBA. And you know what? It's actually here. And I say I'm an avid reader, immersing myself in at least one book a week. Uh, you probably think that it's not relevant enough to be included, so it remove. Cool, right? As you can scroll down bottom, building strategic alliance, as you can see. Look this. I mean, you compare side by side, it's amazing. And I'm so excited to share this with you. It's completely free. And you know what? If you're watching this video, and let's get connected on LinkedIn. And yeah, maybe you want to share your profile with me. And let's get connected and let's do some things together. All the best, and please use it. Yeah. Bye.